Oh, look at that. See that right there? That's from McDonald's. Yeah, I stopped by to get me a cherry berry drink, and a couple of them McChicken sandwiches that I got down in there. See, oh, look at that, McChicken. And lady gave me back my change, and I'm sitting here looking through my ones. You know, I told y'all, always keep your eyes open. You might see a star note. And sure enough, one of the $4 that she gave me back is a star note. Look at that. Now, it's a little raggedy, you know, it's beat to hell. It's probably been on some strippers, you know. Anyway, it's from 2006. Yeah, it looks like it's a Dallas note. Yeah, it sure is, Dallas note. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. Star note. Keep looking for them. You might find them over there at McDonald's. Ha 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 ha.